Hello and welcome back to the tutorial about how to make a Tesla Roadster in Blender 2.93. Okay, so I have shown you how to create the general shape of the Tesla, but you can see that it's still missing the front side, the back side, the upside, the upper side. Well, actually, not the upper side, but there are a few details we need to add, as well as the color. For today, I'm just going to be focusing on how to create the front side of the Tesla and add a few more details. So in every tutorial, I have in the description below the exact link of how to get these pictures if you want them. This and the picture I'm going to add right now, which is a picture of the front side of this car, Tesla. Okay, just a second. Okay, so yes, I added it. I added it. Let me just set every rotation axis to 0, then this to 90, and go over here to -y, and set it not exactly above the x-axis, but about where I think that is the bottom of the car, just like I did with this one. And now if I compare them, I can wait. Let me just hide this for just a second. Okay, now it is. Okay, now it is perfect because this is below the. No, it is exactly over here. So let me see if I am correct. A little bit higher and a little bit higher. So basically what I probably need to do is take this part and put it over here. But anyhow, now let me just show the cube once again. And now this will have to be, wait a minute, no, wait. I was mistaken over here. Okay, so the picture over this picture, I don't know why I have just noticed that it well, it is a little bigger than this one. Took me a while to notice, and I don't know why. So we need S to scale, and then drag, and over here needs to be exactly the same. And now it's a little smaller than we needed, and I think that is correct right now. Let me just see if it matches. This side, this thing needs to match this, and okay, it is about correct. So yeah, okay. Now what I have to do is compare it, and let me just take it and drag it over here. Yes, now you can see that it's about correct. But this isn't a 3D model, so I would say it won't be that easy. if I could just, never mind. Now let me go over here. Now I don't want to do the same thing twice, and I can't do it exactly, so you can probably guess what I'm going to do. Just in case you don't already know, I will add this here. Yep. And then select this. I have shown this a couple of times, that's why I'm guessing you probably know what I'm doing. But if you don't, the link for some related videos, or well, no, the link for a tutorial about this process will be down below in the description. Thank you. Okay, so back to what we were talking about. Now you can see that whatever I do is done. Whatever they do, this side is also done here. Oh wait, hold on. Okay, never mind. Wait, so okay, generally I need to adjust the X scale of this, of the model, so that it is exactly over here. Yeah, now it's perfect. Now you can see it is even more realistic than it was at the beginning. It looks more like a car. Okay, so now we need to add the details I promised. I would show. Okay, to do that, we will have to select vertex. Okay, we will have to select vertices. These vertices from here. Okay, so generally, yes, I'm going to focus on this. But wait, oh yes, and let's select the rest of the edges, and then delete to focus. And I will also, well, actually, no, never mind. I will just, yeah, I'm just going to select uh, all of these vertices and these edges so that I can move it towards the inside a little bit. Okay, yes, let's take them and move them a little bit, and then uh, all of, wait, no wait, just, yes, we'll take the top vertices, so line above this, and let me drag it all over here a little bit, and then x-axis focus again, and no, I will select these, 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 these. Yep. now they are just fine. Okay, so having a look again at what we have done, we can see that it is pretty realistic shape of a Tesla Roadster body. And don't forget, I just like saying this, that it started from this thing. Yes, it was a default cube and we turned it into this. So if you have accomplished that, I think that you should be really proud of yourselves, because Blender is not something you can play with. Okay, now let's see if, whoa, no, wait, I made a mistake over here. We need to take these and move them a little bit more to the inside, because the Roadster has got this racing car shape, which pretty much means that we need to make it look like, well, we know we need to make it look like this. To do that, wait, did I no, I'm not wrong. We need to, what is, hang on. Okay, so I think we need to do this. We need to take these vertices, these dots, and put them a little higher, and well, I'm trying to fix some stuff with the glass, because I also said that in this video we would add details. So yes, if you can follow my steps, in case you want to have a little more detail in your project, then I would suggest that. Okay, so just try and move everything to their actual position in the real image. So it is like this a little bit. Wait, I think this might help. No, it didn't. I'm sorry for doing this, but if we do this, if it is that we do this, we need to do this correct. We need to do it correctly, and yes, basically that's what I have to say. Huh. Yes. Well, it's a little irritating, but the outcome will be worth it. I can, that's the one thing I'm sure about. And yes, okay. Okay, and I think that it will work now. And also remember to save your project. So my mistake. You don't want to select these vertices and move them towards each other because this isn't how the Tesla Roadster has been designed. Instead, you want to do something like this. Um, Wait a second. Okay, you first of all, I think we should uh, scale up the picture a little bit. Let, let me see. I think this was a default, its default size, but anyway. Oh, oh no, no, wait. Let's not do this. Okay. I will just select the uh, select the x-axis and scale the model down a little bit um, over to here if you're using the picture. And now what I want to do is well, I will select about these and then these and well, I will not extrude actually, but I will use them to well, I will move them towards no, away from the center, from the car's center. Let me just correctly be okay. And oh wait. Okay, so first of all, now that uh, yes, now that we have added the wait, okay, I just want to check something. Now that we have added this row of vertices over here, um, we want to use the X-ray tool at all times without stopping because we are not going to move any these will move automatically, but these won't, and it will make a difference if we don't use the X-ray tool. Yes, it will definitely make a difference. Okay, so you might as well think that you don't need the middle row of vertices, but you are about to uh, later. So I wouldn't suggest that you delete it or don't add it. I wouldn't suggest that. No. Okay, let me just fix some of these so that they match uh, to the edges, the real edges of the car. Okay, so you can do it. I think that you can do it. I think you can do it on your own. So there is no need to. There's no need for me to bore you with that. So yes. Okay, so if you did have something you wanted to look different on your car. I am assuming that you fixed it, and now so that now we can move on to the next parts of this tutorial. You won't be needing the X-ray tool right now because you don't want to move any of the middle the middle row of the vertices, and so yes, you don't need it. Just you just wait. No, you just have to select these vertices, the ones on the side, and now yep, 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 yep. You need to remember to save the project because wait, you need to remember to save the project because we are making a lot of changes and you wouldn't like those changes to be lost somehow. Okay, uh, so if you want, you can save your project anytime you think it is necessary. And now let me just oh yeah, wait wait a second. Now wait a second. Well, we have to select these and move them. uh, yes, select these vertices, move them towards the center, and oh, anyway, no, we don't need this. Okay, so also select these now, um, and these. Okay, no, these, these, and also these part, these, these. Okay, and I think yes. Uh, no, GX. Oh wait, no, no, no. I'm sorry about that. Okay. All right. Now I think yeah, I think they look. I think these look quite right because you can see that it is well it does look a little bit more like the Tesla Roadster because you can see that now we've got the middle part of it over here, and then we have extruded, let's say, extruded the the sides, but only for the front part. And now we're going to move the sides away from the center of the Tesla Roadster rear part um, of the car. Now this is going to be a little bit more complicated, a little bit, but also faster because well, you will understand now. Okay, so let me just select these and these, and, so, and also remember to look at the picture because this is very important. You need to have an image also in your mind of how you need your project to look, of what you need your project to look like. And right now you can see that this means that it has been extruded. Of course, we don't extrude right now, we are moving, but well, yes, it will make a difference. Alright, so extrude just a little bit and then move it, and then select these and then go over here to this view and move them. Now you need to compare it. No, wait. You need to compare it to the actual image. So select all of these, and then no, even more. We need to select even more. Excuse me. Now these. So yes, yes. Again, if you're bored, I'm really sorry, but there is nothing I can do to speed up the process, since this is a tutorial, and tutorials take time generally, because especially if they are for modeling, because modeling an object in Blender is actually, well, most of the times a lot more time consuming than the animation process, and the render process does not tire you at all because it is all done automatically. Now that said, we need to, well, we actually need to add a few more vertices to these, and wait, and scale them up a little bit, because you can see that it starts from here. So we need to adjust these so that they sort of so they're sort of attached to this part, and sort of, you don't need to actually attach them to the part. Wait, no, my mistake. Well, you can see there is like I think around each around the tire. So oh yes. Okay, so I am think yes, I think now it is pretty good and pretty realistic as well. And well, there are still a lot of things I need to cover, such as the paint, the details in front, the details at the back, and the tires, the rims, the paint of the tires and the rims, and then the glass, the lights, and well, there is a lot we need to look into. So yes, in order to finish this series, this tutorial series, it will take time. Anyway, thank you for watching, and yes, I hope to see you. I hope that you watch the next video of how to create a Tesla Roadster in Blender from just a cube, and I hope you think this video was worth the time you spent in order to try to learn. Okay, so again, thank you for watching, and I hope that you will like. I hope that you liked the video and like the, and please, if you want, subscribe to support the channel. Thank you very much.